consume the healthy diet, so our body will maintain. So that's why we produced some healthy food. So have a plan for it.
We have used this wrap made up of wheat, and there is a lot of protein packed meal in there. We have used sprouts, which are a great source of iron as well as vitamin A, and we have used onion and tomatoes in it, and vitamin C is also there, which is in the form of lemon juice. And there is a salad dressing as well. We have used this homemade chutney, which is also present in the daily household, we can see, or we can easily make that. And in this we have used our cottage cheese, which is also a great source of protein. Over and all, we can see that this is a full pack protein diet, which is very suitable for our household, and we can make it very easily. Thank you.
Our group consists of 7 members: RMD, Kalika, Janvi, Anshika, Rushika, and Sanskrit. Today, as per the activity, we have prepared veggies loaded nachos, sandwiches, and smoothie. Veggies loaded nachos is basically rich in vitamin C because we are using the fruit themed potatoes, and sandwiches rich in vitamin B, and it is made of whole wheat.
My name is Samrat Sinha. Our group has made fruit chart for a very short notice. We are not prepared for this activity. We made fruit chart. It consists many of vitamin nutrients such as B16, B12, calcium, phosphate, iron, and many other nutrients. In my group, every participant has contributed as much as it can. This is a beautiful picture of our teamwork and passion.
झोली में भर ले परड़ा पपारा थोड़ी थोड़ी जोरा जोरी थोड़ी थोड़ी चोरी शोरी कर ले भोली भाली प्यारी प्यारी यादें सारी झोली में भर ले ये जिंदगी है और क्या एक चुटकुला हंसते जरा खफा खफा क्यों है तू छोटे छोटे तमाशे जैसे पानी बताशे हाथों से ना जाने दे हौले हौले झरोके चल खोले खुशी के थोड़ी हवा तो आने दे रत्ता